400 years ago, the empty continent was founded on a promise of survival and purity. Both came with a cost. Beneath the cities, beneath the history, another people were forgotten, the unrecorded. Generation after generation, they lived in the darkness below, never counted, never acknowledged, never written into humanity's story. They built homes, they raised families, they created a civilization of their own. Not monsters, not myth, human beings, descendants of those erased from history. While the world above celebrated, the world below endured 4 centuries of silence, their existence denied, their lives unrecorded. But the forgotten did not remain forgotten forever. And when they finally emerge into the light, the empty continent will face its greatest truth. It abandoned its own people.